3 ways a blog can increase profits in your internet business. You've no doubt heard about the many ways to make money online, and you may have even tried one or more. Some work better than others, but the truth is there are 3 ways a blog can increase profits for your online business. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 ways a blog can increase profits in your internet business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This video gives you the information you need to implement each method in your business and reap the benefits. Here's to your success. Blogging is an old-fashioned way to create an online presence. Back in the day, you would have to hire someone to write content for you or find a printing company to print out flyers and business cards. The good news is that it's no longer necessary to pay anyone to do this work. In fact, if you want to use your computer as your virtual paper and ink press, blogging is a great way to bring in that extra income. Writing and submitting articles to article directories is one of the 3 ways a blog can increase profits in your online business. It's also a good way to get noticed. Write informative, interesting articles that are related to your blog topic. Include links to your blog at the end of your articles. People read articles like this all the time and they may eventually find your blog. If they do, chances are they will visit sometime soon. Another option is to get listed on other blogs that are related to your own. When people search for products or information on the internet, they may type in your blog's keyword and find it among the lists returned. This is a great way to show people what products you're selling, and you can get your blog listed on other blogs so more people will see your products. If you're interested in using a blog to help you sell your products, or if you're just looking for a way to provide interesting content for your blog, there are 3 ways that a blog can increase your profits. The first way that a blog can increase profits is through link building selling, or they may want to know more about your online business. You can include links to your blog in your emails or other communication that you send out to your customers. Advertising method in conjunction with your own marketing efforts. If you're not sure how to go about advertising on other blogs, there are plenty of options at your disposal. You may also sell marketing products on your blog. There are several products that you can purchase to help you market your blog more effectively. For example, if you blog about gardening, you could start purchasing ad space in your posts and placing them around other blogs that have topics about gardening. You can also offer affiliate products that can be purchased for a low monthly fee from the blog you are promoting. These affiliate products can be related to the content on your blog and can earn you some extra revenue each month. Blogging is not the only option you have for increasing the profits of your online business. You can also use the power of viral marketing to increase profits. The more people who know about your blog, the better chances you have of making a profit. Blogging and viral marketing are great ways to increase profits in your online business. They are easy to do, require very little upfront capital, and are very effective. Once you start blogging and utilizing these methods, the money will come. You should always keep in mind that an effective blog isn't just a bunch of words stuffed haphazardly together. Your blog needs to tell your readers something valuable about your online business. Thanks for watching my video about 3 ways a blog can increase profits in your internet business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.